Hi, good afternoon, guys. My name is Hajina Korondawa, and my ID card number is 1945056. So today I'm going to present about my assignment, and let's start with introduction. Okay, statistic is a mathematical science. So in statistic, involve three mathematical formula, that is collecting, organizing, and analyzing data to draw meaningful conclusion. Statistic method are mathematical formula, and this also used in statistic analysis of friends research data. Okay guys, scatter diagram is something that we also know as scatter plot, scatter graph, that collect data and all that. So now I'm going to show you how to calculate and all that. Okay guys, now I will show you how to do my scatter diagram, how to create a table, and how to find the calculation of the table age and weight. So here we go. Okay guys, this is the scatter diagram table. Before we start the calculation, we need to create a table of age and weight. You just can create any of your friend or your family member age and their weight. Okay guys, for the second table, you need to create 8 column, and the age and the weight you need to label as X and Y to find the answer for X2, X, Y2, Y, X, Y and R. Okay, then for find the answer for X2, you need to find the answer for X. So you need to calculate all the total of the age to find the answer for X. So you will get the answer 165, and the weight you need to calculate all to find the answer for Y, and the answer will get 562. Okay guys, for find the answer for X2, you need to times 165 times 165, like here, like the example I'm showing here, and you will get the answer 27225. And to get the answer Y2, you need to times the total calculation of weight 5 to 6 times 5 to 6, like example I'm showing here also, and you will get the answer 135844. Guys, for find the answer for XY, you need to take the total of X2 and total of Y2 to find the total of YX. So you need to plus 27225 plus with 315844. So you will get the answer 92730. Okay guys, this is the formula for calculation, and you need to use this calculation formula to get the answer for R. Okay guys, this is only for today, and this is the way how to do scatter diagram, and I hope you can learn from here. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm gonna be the topic I'll be given is correlation and regression analysis. Now I'm going to explain about correlation and showing the calculation using Excel. Correlation is a statistical technique used to determine between two variables. The two variables are independent variable and dependent variable, where describing the strength of relationship. To find out the correlation, there are two methods. First is product moment person method and ranks PNL method. Okay guys, I'm going to show the calculation using Excel now. The first method is product moment Pearson method. In this method, there are two tables. So in the first table, where I have collected 10% age and weight, and in the second table there are 5 columns, which is X, Y, XY, X power of 2 and Y power of 2. So X is represented as age and Y is represented as weight. To get the answer for each column, I'm going to show you now. for x and y you have to use multiplication, so you have to use equal. For every calculation we must use equal. So after put equal, you have to click the value of x, then put the multiplication, then put the value of y. So you will get the answer for x and y. For the following answer, you just have to copy and pull it down. You will get the answer for the column x and y. For the next column, x power of 2, put equal, then use the function of power, then click value of x, comma 2. Why it's 2? It's because of the power of 2. If it's power of 3, you must put 3. So now it's 2 here, so you just put 2. You'll get the answer. For the following, same like the previous column we did, pull down, you will get the answer. For the y power of 2, we have to put equal, same exactly like x power of 2 calculation, power, then click the value of y, comma 2. You'll get the answer. For the following, just click and pull down. You get the answer for y power of 2. For the total of the table, for each column, you just have to highlight and use the function of auto sum. So we have to do for each column and we'll get the answer for each column. The end answer of the table is done. So for the next calculation, you must use this formula. For the next calculation, you must use this formula and convert this formula to these numbers, where this number I get is from here, the answer from each column that we did just now, and this n where I get is from here, where have been collected 10% data, so there are 10, so that is n. This equation followed by here, so there is equation x, equation y, and the following. So you just have to follow this formula and convert to these numbers. Okay, after convert, these are the numbers. For the second step, where I get this answer off from the first step, where I times all the number, this both number and this both number, and so on. After times, you will get this answer in the second step. Then we have to minus this both number to get the answer in the third step, as the following minus and this both number have to minus. Then we'll get this answer down here. Then for the fourth step, have to times this both number, because there have a bracket on it, so we have to finish up this method first, so have to times. Then you'll get the answer at the end, negative 0.14. The correlation is there is a weak negative correlation between age and weight. Because why it's weak, It is because the answer is negative. That's why the correlation is weak. Okay guys, this is second method, rank Spearman method. There's a table x and y. We use the same data from the previous method. Rx is we need to rank the x row. We need to rank to highest to the lowest. So from the x row we can see the 21 is the highest number. So we rank it 21 is the first. Then the second highest is 20. So we rank it as 2, and the following we rank it. For the Ry, where we should rank the y column, the highest number is 68. So we have to rank it as first. Second highest is 66. I have to rank it as 2. So do the same and complete the Rx and Ry table. Okay, this is answer after we rank it. Okay, now we must complete the D row. We have to complete the D row with using subtraction between Rx and Ry. We have to minus that both numbers to get the answer in D. Okay, we already minus, so we already get the answer in D row. To find D power of 2, have to calculate the D row with power of 2. So you must times 2 with the value of D to get the answer in D2. Okay, our table is complete. Okay, at the end, we have to plus all these numbers to get the total of D2. So the total is 200.5. Okay, the next calculation is for this method. This is the formula. I already convert here. This is the answer. 6 is from the formula. Equation D power of 2 is from here, this answer. And N is the data, have been called the 10% data. Just have to follow the same as the formula here. Then for the next step, we have to multiply this both number and we'll get this answer. Then multiply this both number, you'll get this answer. Then after finish this calculation, in the third step you'll get the answer. The whole answer for this correlation is negative 0.26. So the correlation is there is a weak negative correlation between age and weight. For this method, there is weak. For this method also, the answer is weak because the answer we get is negative. So okay guys, this is how we should calculate these two methods. That is from me now. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nur Shafika binti Zakaria. My student ID is 1945149. So here, I want to tell you how to calculate regression using Microsoft Excel. Before we start, I want to tell you what is regression equation. Definition of regression equation is any equation that is a function of two dependent variables. After that, you need to know what is formula of regression. So here I give you formula of regression. The first step is you need to find two variables. So here I use age for x and y for weight. Then you need to add 3 more columns for xy, x2 and y2. Step 2, you have to click any number at random. Then you click home, same like a first pictures and click format as table like a second pictures. Then you choose any color you want. Then it will be like this. Then automatically a new screen laptop will look like this. So we have to click OK. And you can see the count automatically look like the pictures at number 4. Okay, so here I give you. The third step is you need to click design, then you click total row. See? Then you click save like pictures for total age and weight. The last step is we need to calculate B and A. B is log and A is interpret. Just follow the step. So make it easy, I give you formula for B and A. Answer for B is 0.497 and answer for A is 64.4.
Hello everyone, my name is Kaira Jaga from Psychology course. I am from Shafika Group. So here I want to present about estimation. I get the A from this calculation. B, which is 0.497, I get from this calculation. How to estimate the age of a person when his or she's weight is 50 kg. The formula is line of y equal A plus bx. Then, if y equal 50, then write y equal A, which is 64.4 plus b, which is 0.497, and in bracket is 50. So calculate as usual and then get the answer. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Siti Rafadila. I am from Psychology course. I am from Shafika Group. Here I will present about gradient of the regression equation. The formula of gradient of the regression equation is A equal y plus bx. A equal y is intercept. Bx equal is slope or gradient. Then gradient of the regression equation for the equal 0.497. I get 0.497 at here. Thank you. In conclusion, in the psychology field, for the statistical, where the aim of the correction is to measure the linear relationship. In this it can also know the correction is in a positive or negative between the two or more. However, regression analysis based to the variable regression equation is to fit what kind of relationship and character of relationship.